Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing some rhinestone Kenleys. Now the Kenley design shoe is similar to the style that Bottega Veneta made popular with the braided and the puffed out whatever the thing is called, the strap that goes across your toe, mule. And I'm not really a fan of trendy shoes because I just feel like if I get the knockoff version or like a cheaper version, nobody's going to walk up to me and say, hey, those ain't the Bottega Venetas. But anyway, I am wearing these to the concert, and I'm wearing just a simple black dress. So I actually saw these in Macy's the other day, and I was like, these are some gorgeous shoes. Look at them, y'all. Look at them, y'all. Get all this stuff off here. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at how they sparkle. Like, I love a little bling blow in my life. These are a gorgeous sandal. I paid $124. I actually saw them, when I saw them in Macy's, they were $140. And I went on Amazon, and Amazon had them on sale for I think $128 or $129, somewhere around there. But yo, this is the shoe for me. This is gorgeous. I got a couple events and a couple things that I need to attend that these will be coming with. Drop down in the comments and tell me what you think, but go buy them because they are gorgeous.
Mr. Cheeks, make some love for Miss Cheeks right here. Make some love for Miss Cheeks. Miss Cheeks, how you